In this video, we'll be going over how to install the Real Life Data View and Input apps on an Android. Let's start by opening Chrome and going to reallifedata.net. Click the three-bar menu up at the top, and let's start by clicking Go to Input. It'll ask you to log in, and once you've logged in, you'll end up at this screen where it may give you a prompt asking to install. On my phone, it didn't do that, so let's go to the three-button menu up at the top, find Install App, and then click Install. Now you'll notice it says Installing RLD Input at the bottom, and if I open up the menu at the top, I'll see that it says App Installed. If I click on it, it'll bring me to the Input app. Doing the View app is a lot like doing the Input app, so let's go back to reallifedata.net and click the three-bar menu at the top and click Go to Viewer. It'll ask you to log in, and then you'll end up at this screen where you'll click on the three-bar menu at the top, scroll down to find Install App, and click Install. Again, it'll say Installing RLD Viewer at the bottom, and if you open up the menu at the top of your screen, it'll even tell you that the app was installed. Now, if I click it, it'll bring me to the Viewer app. And now, if I go back to my home screen and I go to the apps on my phone, I'll notice that the RLD Input and the RLD Viewer are right there.